So the first one is Sony DSC-WX350, a marvelous compact digicam, which performs outstanding. Once you power it up, one will be amazed by its compact design, fully integrated with 20 times optical shooter. The best thing is, you don't need to switch the modes to macro, distant shots, low light shots, sport shots, because it automatically detects the lighting conditions, hence hassle-free. Various scene modes, filters, NFC, and Wi-Fi makes it a winner for this range. The mini USB is actually of multi-purpose, which lets you charge the cam's battery and transfer your data. The cable provided can be attached to the power adapter for charging. That means the battery is not required to be pulled out from your camera. The next one is Panasonic Lumix DMC ZS50. It is a compact point-to-shoot digital camera featuring a 12.1 MP high-sensitivity MOS sensor and Venus engine image processor to enable high-resolution still imaging and full HD video recording with noticeable low light quality and sensitivity to an expandable ISO 6400. Fast performance is also afforded throughout the camera system, including the ability to record full-resolution imagery. Aspherical and extra-low dispersion elements help to produce sharp, high-contrast imagery and also work to minimize aberrations and distortion throughout the zoom range, benefiting the extensive zooming capabilities. Image stabilization, which minimizes the appearance of camera shake, to better support working with greater zoom magnifications or longer shutter speeds. Coming next is the Sony Alpha A6400. The LCD offers a wide variety of touch operations, enabling intuitive shooting and fast focus operation. The touchpad function allows smooth focus position adjustment while using the viewfinder. When shooting movies, touching the subject imitates tracking that maintains focus on the subject. Effective use of the focal plane face detection system makes focusing during movie shooting fast and stable. Real-time tracking utilizes a special object recognition algorithm that processes color, subject distance, brightness, and spatial information. The shots can be viewed immediately after shooting, even when in high-speed continuous shooting mode. Next in the list is Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. The best-selling PowerShot G7X, which packed a large sensor with a sleek compact body, now has a new, improved second-generation model. It features the new Digic 7 image processor, which not only enhances the look of photos taken in low-light conditions, but also enables a more natural depiction of contrast in backlit scenes, resulting in shots that have high apparent resolution. There is a self-portrait mode, which allows you to have fun with a tilt-type monitor. The Digic 7 imaging processor, whose high-speed processing enables improved noise reduction when shooting at mid to high ISO speeds. And the last on the list is Sony ZV-1. It is a fast hybrid AF, real-time IAF3, and real-time AF tracking. Quickly switch between two modes of defocused background. Product showcase setting transitions focus from face to object. Face priority AE keeps faces bright in backlit or dim conditions. You also can get rechargeable battery pack, micro USB cable, windscreen adapter, and strap. The lenses are built-in, not interchangeable. The microphone on this is also way better too. The highlight of this camera is the ease to use. It is very simple to use, and the automated functions for blur and product presentation work very well. So, these are the products that we have listed in our video to help you out with your confusion in buying the cheapest blogging camera. The links for the products is given in the description box.